Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing website of Hamster Combat investment website. So if you also want to build your own hamster coin plan investment website, so this video is for you. So in this video I am gonna completely guide you about this website, and viewers, I will give you the view of its user panel, its admin panel, and I will let you know how you can completely control this website from admin panel. So if you also want to build this website, just contact us and we will build this for you. If you want to buy this script from us, you can buy only script and complete website as well, and we will also build the apps as well. So here you can see that this script is hosted on my subdomain, so demo2.scriptsmasher.com. so you can verify it from here. So first of all, you can look at its amazing home page. So in order to do anything, we must have to log in. So I will just click on profile option and I will go to login. So this is the login page of this website. So we already have an account, so we will directly sign in. But if you don't have an account, you must have to register your account. So here click on register page, and by filling these simple details you can easily register your account, and you can click on sign up and you can easily sign up. So viewers, if you want to buy this script or complete website, the WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can contact us and buy the source code and complete website from us. And if you need any type of website like investment website, trading website, e-commerce website, order grabbing website, all type of websites are available. You can visit our channel as well. You will find many website scripts over our channel. So if you have any confusion, you can also contact us. So here, in order to log in, I will enter my username. So here I will enter my username and then I will enter my password. So viewers, after entering these details, you must have to click on login and it will log you into your account. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our account, and this is all the profile page. Let me take all of you to our home page and then we will explore all these pages one by one. So this is the home page. If you want to change banner, etc., each and everything is changeable from admin panel. You can change these banners and use your own banners. You can change the logo and name as well. So here you can see there is a recharge page, there is a withdrawal page from where user can withdraw. Here's invite page, user can find its link, and this is online service like support option. So here you can see there are multiple plans on the website. So if user want to subscribe any of the plan, like you can see validity 10 days, referral bonus up to 3 levels, daily earning $10 and total earning $100, and it is for 10 days. And viewers, most amazing thing about this is that user that invest in plan have to claim its earning daily. So user have to claim its earning, then earning will only added to his account. So daily user have to come and claim the earning. So here you can see multiple plans and you can list all these plans from admin panel. That is completely simple process, and I'm gonna guide you completely about this. So here you can insert your line over here in this section, and here you can see there is a recharge button. I will click on it. So here you can see that recharge page has opened successfully and user can deposit money through this page. So here when I click on select one, and it will open all the gateways that are on website, and I will show you how you can create these gateways from admin panel. It's completely simple. You can use any of the gateway you want. You can use Binance, you can use crypto gateways, you can use PayPal, Paytm, or any of your country gateway, Easy Paisa, Jazz Cash as well. Suppose I want to recharge through Binance. So here it will ask me how much amount you want to recharge. So I will ask for $100 and click on submit. And here you will see that it has taken me to this page, and here you can see all your deposit details. Like here you can see you have requested $100 USDT deposit. Please pay $100 successfully and follow the instruction. So here we have to enter our copy this ID, Binance ID, and we have to pay on this ID and send screenshot to the admin. And when admin will approve our payment, the amount of $100 will be added to our account. So this is how you can deposit money on your website. And so This is how you can deposit money. Same is with case with withdraw. So here user can take withdraw using any of the gateway, enter the amount for withdrawal, click on submit, and here you have to fill your Binance ID, so and submit, and admin will send you withdraw and approve your withdraw from its admin panel. So here you can see my existing withdrawals over here. So this is the all about this page, and here is invite page. You can copy your referral link from here. So this is all your referral link and all the details about your account, and you can see all these instructions and awards for your referral. So you can copy it and refer multiple people and earn through referrals as well. And here is your invite code over here that you can see on the top. And from online service you can contact the support in case of any issue. So here is my plans, so it will show you all the plans that you have subscribed. So here currently I have subscribed to VIP1, and you can see all its earning and daily earning, purchase date and expiry date. And here this is the page. So this is the page from where user have to collect its earning daily. So I have already collected the payment of today. So here you can see your total balance in USDT, and here you have to daily collect your earning. So it is asking that today profit already collected, because we have already collected our earning. Here you can go to my team and you can see all your referral code, referral link, team size, the people you have referred, team recharge, team withdrawal, and all your levels commission over here. So this is a very amazing site, amazing look. So if you completely new in market, so if you want to buy this website, you can contact us and we will build this complete website for you. And if you need complete only script of this website, you will get at a very reasonable price from market, and we will provide you complete support, so you don't need to worry about anything. So we will completely support you. So same as the case, here is team section. So let me go to profile. Here you can see all your account details, like you can see your username, your balance, today earning, total earning, your referral link. Here is same deposit page over here, withdraw page. Here you can change your password of this account, and here you can see all your recharge records. So this is a deposit record. You can see all the 55 USDT deposit record. And here you can see withdrawals records. So you can see this is a withdrawal record. Here you can see all your balance records, balance, add, subtract, each and everything. You can see it over here. So you can see all your records, and through transaction ID. Here you can download, click here to download the app of this website, and there is a logout option. So viewers, this is all about the user panel of this website. Here I completely guide you about this user panel. Now we will go to our admin panel of this website, from where admin will control the website. Admin will completely manage complete website from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this. You can easily manage it from admin panel. So I am going directly to the admin page, and then I will completely guide you about the admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that I am on the admin login page of this website. So here you can see that here we have to enter our username and password in order to log into the admin panel. So this is the admin panel from where admin will completely control the website, and only the person who have these credentials, only that person can log in. So here I will log into my admin panel of this website, and here when I click on login, it will log me into the admin panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. It has a very amazing admin panel. You can completely control this website from laptop or your mobile as well. So you don't need a laptop for this. You can easily control website from mobile. So here you can see total users, active plans on the website, total deposits on the website, rejected deposits, total withdrawals, pending withdrawals, rejected withdrawals, withdrawal charges over here. Each and everything you can see it from here, and you can see the latest notifications over here as well. So here is, you can see that there are some other options. So here are front end settings, from where you can set up the front end settings. Like here, this is a notice board option. So you can change the notice board line and text that is on the notice board, and deposits referral section. So you can change these things from here. And here is pop-up noise. So you can change the pop-up that appears when you create account. So here is sliding banners. So if you want to insert new banner, you can click on add new and insert a new banner from here. And if you want to change the existing banners, just click on edit and you can edit the existing banners as well. So this is very simple. You can use your own business banners over here. It's not compulsory to use the old banners. You can use the new banners. Here is important links, like you can change the app link, customer tele, you can add your Telegram channel link, group link and your app link. So there is a referral commission settings. So from here you can set up your all referral commission up to multiple levels. Currently there are 3 levels of referral commission on plan, purchase, mining bonus, but you can create as many as referral levels you want, so and give commission to user. So you can disable them as well and enable them as well from here. So this is the subscription plan section. So currently you can see there are 3 plans on the website. If you want to edit all these 3 plans, so you can click on edit and you can edit these plans. Here you can see the name, image of this website, price of this plan, daily profit of this plan, validity of the plan and referral commission up to multiple levels. Now if you want to create a new plan, just fill all these details like name of plan, plan image, plan price, daily profit, validity and referral commission, and you can make a new plan easily on this website. So this is how you can make the plan on your website. And this is the manage user option. So here you can see plan active users, banned users, with balance, and here is all user option. So here you can see all user. This site is completely newly created, so you can see currently there are only 2 users. This is our own account and this is our test account. So here if you want to manage the user, go to details and you can see a balance of user, deposits of user, withdrawals of user, transactions of user. You can see here you can add balance to user account. Suppose I want to add $10 to user account, so I can add balance from here. So here you can see that I have successfully added $10 to user account. Similarly, here you can see that currently the balance is $9,965. Now I want to subtract balance of user, so I will subtract $5,000 from this user account. So click on submit and here you can see that balance has subtracted from user account. So this is how I can add and subtract balance to user account. Here you can send the user notification, you can see login as a user, change the password and ban this user from here. So this is all about the user things, like you can change all the details, email verification, KYC verification, you can do all those things from here. So here is payment gateway option. So we will go to payment gateways and you can see all the payment gateways that are on your website. If you want to edit them, click on edit and you can edit the gateways as well. But if you want to create the new gateway, just click on add new, fill the name of gateway, currency of the gateway, rate to the USDT, minimum maximum amount, deposit information and deposit instruction, field for screenshot, and you can easily add a deposit gateway on your website from here. So it's very simple to add a deposit gateway, and if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support. So you are on the right video. So if you want this type of website, you can contact us and we have many other designs available as well. So here you can approve or reject the deposit request. So when user will request a deposit, request will be appeared here and you have to approve it or reject it, and here you will view all the approved deposits in this section. So these are all the approved deposits and you can see their amount and their initiated, approved, success or rejected deposits. So here's the withdraw section. So currently in our video I have requested a withdrawal of I think $10 or $10. So request is here, you can see it is under processing, so we have to go to details. So here you can see Binance ID of user, you can pay on it and then you click on approve, the withdrawal will be approved. So here this is how you can approve the withdrawals of users, and you can see all approved withdrawal, rejected withdrawals, and from here you can see all the withdrawals on your website and their total amount. So here you can see your all transaction log, login history, notification history, referral commission history. You can see everything over here. and this is a general setting option. Here, if you want to change the name of website from Hamster Mining to any of other your company name, you can change it. You can change the currency of website from dollar to any of your local currency. You can change the base colors and some other things from this section. So if you want to change the logo, you can easily change the logo from here, and you can insert your own logo from this section. So this is the logo. You can change it easily from here by you have to just select the logo and favicon, and you can change it from here. It's very simple and easy to use. Here you can manage the SEO of website directly from here. You don't need to go anywhere else for SEO. You can completely manage SEO from here. Here are notification settings, like you can set up emails and other things from here, and here's maintenance mode. So if you want to turn on maintenance mode, you can do that as well. So this is all about the script, and I hope you like the video. Viewers, if you have liked this video, do subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment your thoughts in the video comment box. And to buy this script, you can contact us. If you need complete website, we will build it for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, viewers.